Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we're here because we're going to be opening up my Stitch Fix box for the month of July. So real quick, Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service for men, women, and children. You pay $20 whenever you want to have a box styled for you. You're going to fill out your style profile to give your measurements and likes and dislikes about fashion, and then a stylist is paired with you. He or she will help you to choose 5 items to send to you in your box, and those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, whatever you want. And so when you fill out your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you and what you don't want to have sent to you. Those items are going to get shipped to you for free, and you get to try them on in the comfort of your own home, and you'll decide what you like and what you don't like. If you keep at least one item from your box, then the $20 styling fee does get applied to whatever you're keeping. And if you keep all 5 items from your box, then you will get a 25% discount on the total cost of the box, and you get to apply your $20 styling fee. I no longer have to pay that $20 styling fee for each box because a few years ago, Stitch Fix offered me the Style Pass. And so the Style Pass is where you pay $49 to have unlimited fixes sent to you throughout the year. Since it's still summertime, I did request to have more items like tank tops, shorts, and things like that. Stitch Fix does a fix preview, and so a couple of weeks before your box is supposed to be shipped to you, you will get an email from your stylist with about 10 items for you to look at, and you can decide if you want any of those items to be included in your box. And so for this box, I did choose all 5 items. So we're gonna get into it and see what I got for this month. Right on top is my prepaid mailer envelope. Shipping is free both ways, so you'll use this envelope to send back anything that you don't want to keep, or if you need to make any exchanges, you'll put those items in this bag and send it back to Stitch Fix. I love that shipping is free both ways. You're also going to get a white envelope, and inside that white envelope is your price invoice sheet, and this is fix number 59 for me. Also inside that white envelope is your Oh Hello card, and so this is going to be a note from your stylist, but it will also give you styling suggestions for the items that are in your box. So I'm going to read my note real quick. My note says, "Cheers to summer and your fix arriving. I was happy to see you had the opportunity to review your fix preview and selected 5 items to be sent your way. What specifically made you drawn to these items? Was it the color, print, silhouette, etc.? Be sure to share this feedback after trying the pieces on so I can continue to learn your style and preferences over time. Do you have any outstanding summer wardrobe needs that I can be on the lookout for? If so, let me know at checkout as we are fully embracing sunshine and warmer days. Have fun trying on these items and happy styling. Thanks, Tara." And so here's a look at my bundle. Let's get into it. All right, so the first item is by Market and Spruce, the Alora Twistback Knit Tank in Navy. And so here's what that looks like. It has a navy background with kind of like a plum and kind of a rust-colored floral print, a little bit of cream and white in there. It's a really pretty floral print that I think will work now for summertime, but I also think it's gonna work well for transitioning into fall with those really pretty plum and rust colors. So I'm gonna get up close so you can see the print. This top has a really cute twist detail at the top in the back. And it's really soft and stretchy. So that's really cute. I really love those colors. Next is a dress by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Paulie knit dress in black. And so here's what that dress looks like. It has a little ruffle detail around the front here. It's black with like a kind of pinkish, coralish print. Get up close so you can see that. It's very stretchy. It does have like a little gathering here at the waistline. And it almost has like a texture to it because I can kind of feel the floral print, which is interesting. So I thought this would just be a really cute floral print dress for the summertime. We'll see how that fits. Next is another item by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Dani mixed material blouse in navy. It's really funny. Before Stitch Fix, I did not really care for navy, but now I really like it. And so here's what this top looks like. It's navy and it has like a little pink and kind of white dot, like abstract dot print. It does have a keyhole in the front. Here's a close-up of that print. And then it does have a little tie at the back and a solid mixed material back, which doesn't bother me. The front of that feels like it's polyester. All right, the last top is by Kaileigh, the Felda Lattice Back Detail Knit Tank in Navy again. And so here's what that top looks like. It has kind of like a little floral print, but it has like a coral and then a cream and a little bit of brown in there. So another good tank top that will transition into fall nicely. It feels polyester. It does have stretch to it. And it has like a little cute crisscross detail in the back. And then lastly, I have a pair of shorts. They are by Studio Blue, the Mari High Rise Mid-Length Denim Short in Indigo. And it says it's a Stitch Fix exclusive. And so here they are. They're a light wash denim short. They do have a little bit of distressing here, very minimal. I think these shorts are supposed to be a 5-inch inseam. They do have the double button at the top and pockets on the back. They feel like they have some good stretch. And I think they said they were a high rise, didn't they? And yes, they're supposed to be a high rise, so that's what I'm looking for. So I don't have a lot of this light wash denim in my wardrobe, so I'm interested to try those on. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a try on and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back with the first two items, and on top I have the Kaileigh Felda Lattice Back Detail Knit Tank in Navy, and then I have the shorts on. They're by Studio Blue. They're the Mari High Rise Mid-Length Denim Short. So let's talk about these two items. So this little tank top is navy. It has a cute like pale pink, cream, coral, and brown floral print. I'm gonna get up close so you can see that. It does have like the little spaghetti straps. It does scoop down. It is very stretchy. Comes down pretty long in the front. It does come up on the side and around, and it comes down a little bit longer in the back. I'm going to turn around so you can see the detail on the back. Cute little crisscross. Cute little tank top. Perfect for summer. And then in the fall, because of the colors, I feel like you could put a cardigan over top of it for the fall if you wanted to. All right, let's take a look at the shorts. They are very high rise. They have the double button. They come up to here, which is, my belly button is a little bit below that. So they are very high rise. They're a light wash. They do have like the little side slash pockets here, a little bit of distressing right here. They do have like this little band here at the bottom. It's not a roll or anything, but it kind of looks that way. They have the double pockets on the back. They're a cute light wash denim short if you're looking for that, and they are very stretchy. And I would say they're about a 4 or 5 inch inseam, which is about the shortest I can go. So you guys tell me what you think about these two items. I'm gonna leave these shorts on and I'm gonna try on the different tops with it, and I'll be right back. All right guys, we're back with the third item, and it is this top by Market and Spruce, the Alora Twist Back Knit Tank in Navy. All right, so I've been seeing this top in my freestyle shop for a while, and I have really been drawn to the colors in it. And so when it showed up in my preview, I knew I wanted to try it. I really love the plum and the rust. There's a light pink and some white on this navy background. I just think it's really pretty. I think it's gonna be a great tank top for now in the summertime, but then it's gonna transition well into the fall with these colors. You could throw a cardigan on over top of it in the fall, and I think it would work out perfectly. It's very soft, it's very stretchy. It is bra friendly. It has a really nice scoop neck here. The length comes down right here. It does a little scoop up on the front, and then it comes down in the back a little bit. I think it pairs nicely with this light wash denim short, but you could pair it with dark denim as well. I'm going to show you this twist right here in the back. There's a twist knot right there. So you guys tell me what you think. I think it's a cute little outfit. All right, I'm gonna try the next top on and I'll be right back. All right, the last top is by Fortune and Ivy, the Dani mixed material blouse in navy. And so this top has this polyester front. It does have this little keyhole in the front with this like little band right here, a little cap sleeve. The print is like a pinkish, purplish color with some like white I'm gonna get up close so you can see it. It's like a little abstract dot. I do like the little keyhole. So it has that blousey feel in the front, the solid blue mixed material back, and there's a little tie back here with a little keyhole in the back. I did leave it on with these shorts, but I do think it's a little bit dressier, and so you could probably pair it with some pink pants, and that would be really cute together. So this top will probably be great for when I go back to work later in August. But I think you could dress it up or dress it down. You guys tell me what you think. All right, I have the dress to try on, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, last up is a dress, and it's by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Paulie knit dress in black. All right, so here's what that dress looks like. It does come down kind of in a V. It is stitched right here. There are ruffles that come down and kind of crisscross right here, and it kind of stops right here. The print is a floral print on a black background, and it's like cream and kind of like a coral, kind of pinkish color. I'm gonna get up close to try to let you see that. The print is textured, so like the outline of the flowers is textured. And I didn't know that when I saw the fixed preview, but it doesn't bother me. It does have like a line right here at the waistline. It comes down a few inches above my knee, so it's a little shorter. It's good in the arms. So what do you guys think about this dress? I think that this dress would be really cute with some black sandals, just kind of a casual summer dress into early fall. All right, I'm gonna get changed. I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about prices. All right, guys, we're back to do a recap and to talk about prices. And so this is a really nicely priced fix. Okay, so the first item on the list is by Fortune and Ivy, the Paulie knit dress in black. And the cost of this dress is $54. It is a really cute summer dress with this really pretty floral print. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the white right here that outlines is what I was talking about, that has that kind of puffed texture. I like the way that it had the ruffle detail going across the front. I think the print was flattering for my figure, so I think this is a cute little summer dress. Next is also by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Dani mixed material blouse in navy, and the cost of this top is $38. And so that was this little top right here that had the polyester front. It had the little abstract dot print with kind of a pinkish, kind of purplish color and some white. I think this top is going to be great for dressing up. It could be worn more casually with maybe cropped denim pants. So I think this is a really cute top. All right, the next item is by Studio Blue, the Mari High Rise Mid-Length Denim Short, and it says it's an indigo, and that was this pair of denim shorts. I like the light wash. I don't have anything like that in my wardrobe, so I think these are really cute. And the cost of these are $44, so I think that's a really good price for shorts. Next is by Kaileigh, the Felda Lattice Back Detail Knit Tank in Navy, and the cost of this is $34. And that was this cute little navy crisscross back tank top. And then last on the list is by Market and Spruce, the Alora Twist Back Knit Tank in Navy, and the cost of this is $32. And that was this tank top with a really pretty floral print with the colors that I really love. So like I said, the prices in this fix are really great. So the stylist pick subtotal is $202. The buy all 5 discount will take off 25%, which is going to take off the $50.50. My order subtotal will be $151.50. Shipping is free, and I don't have the $20 styling fee to take off, so my final order total will be $151.50. So I'm leaning towards keeping everything, but you guys tell me what you think. All right, guys, I am going to leave my referral link in the description box below. That link is good for first-time men and women customers for Stitch Fix. And so basically that referral link is going to waive your styling fee. You're going to be able to get a box sent to you without having to pay anything up front. You try those items on in the comfort of your own home, and then You only pay for what you keep, and so if you decide to keep one item from that box, then that $25 will go towards whatever you're keeping. If you use that link, then you get $25 and I get $25 as well. And if you've ever used my link, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. It does help me to continue to do these videos. And so if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, let me know. And until next time, bye guys.